Hello everybody, my name is Dawn Stammer. I live in Haydock, St Helens on Merseyside, which is, for anybody who's outside, is in the UK. My therapy room, which you can see here around me, is built in my garden at home that I share with my lovely husband, Robert. And it's surrounded by a landscape garden and park beyond. So it's very tranquil, very secluded, very quiet, and I really built it and designed it for the clients that I was working with at the time. My speciality is in cancer care. I worked for 8 years supporting cancer patients through their journey using quite a wide range of alternative complementary therapy, hypnotherapy, mindfulness, reflexology, therapeutic touch. And I worked individually on a one-to-one basis while they were having their treatment, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, cannulation, so needle phobia and panic, anxiety, stress, all the things that we all go through, whatever the symptoms may be, are very fearful. So I come alongside and I worked with them and helped them along their journey, as well as the carers, the relatives and the staff of the hospital. We work with those as well. Edema, rheumatism, arthritis, these are just some of the things that I work with. Infertility, pregnancy care. And I came to complementary therapy because of my own struggles through health and well-being in 2003. I was diagnosed with underactive thyroid, acute anxiety and stress and depression. I had fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, all the things that are linked with the autoimmune system. The immune system is attacking my own tissues. So it became very stressful. And the NHS in the UK is great, but they couldn't give me the answers that I needed, and they couldn't, in quote, fix me. So I had to find strategies, I had to find ways that I could take responsibility and learn how I could improve my health and well-being. So from my own experiential learning, I now offer to my clients. So that's a little bit about me, and I will be offering counselling services here as well.